Hi, my name's Jenny, and I'm doing a pack-in review of the Kerikit Quilted Mini Joy, and this is in their color tan. I did one in their dark gray, and I ended up selling that and buying this color. So I think the dark gray one, I had it packed as like an airport bag, personal bag that I took to the airport. This one's actually packed for me and my girls, since we are going out a little bit longer, just because, you know, now with like COVID restrictions at least lifting a little bit, we've been staying out longer. Okay, so the Kerikit is an England-based company. Measures 27 by 15 by 35. So Kerikit is definitely one of the luxury diaper bags. This one actually goes for $410 US. I actually got this one on Mercari, or actually, no, I'm sorry, it was a Facebook resale site, specifically for Kerikit. And I think I got it for like $170. So definitely go on resale sites to find these for a better price. Otherwise, Kerikit does have sales every so often. It's full grain leather, and their interior, same as any other diaper bag, it's stain water repellent. As you can see here, it does have gold hardware. And what I love about the zippers, they're really smooth. And it does have, like you can see right here, it has like those little loops where you can actually lock it. So, you know, if you're traveling or something, it's good to have. And then you see there's a front pocket here. There's a middle pocket that has like card slots. And then the main pocket, top pocket here, kind of reminds me of the tech pocket in jujube bags, but not as deep. And then on the side here, you see there's bottle pockets on both sides. They're a little short, so I don't have anything really on here. Like, you can do bottle pockets, but I feel like they might fall out, especially if they're tall. And behind here, they do have, like, this is like a suitcase lot, similar to Mina Bay. And they also have where you can unzip it so your suitcase slips through it, but I use it like my Mina Bay bag as an extra exterior pocket. And then here, there's also a pocket that goes all the way to the side of the bag. So good for like a wallet or a phone. And I'm sorry, I am actually doing this in my car just because I realized I haven't posted in a while. So this is like my only free time. Right, so let's get into the bag. So in the front pocket here, I have tissues, my chapstick, and my hand lotion. So you can already see the lining right here. So open that up, and this has my med pouch, my white pouch mini with sanitizing wipes, and then this has my Mina Bay baby pouch, and this just has like my makeup, so lip gloss, eyebrow pencil, lip eyeliner, my powder, and some Altoids. So, I mean, their brown is definitely different. The Kerikit has more red in it. And as you can see, there is card slots here. So if you're one to use card slots, this is perfect. Top pocket here have nothing in, but I normally put my AirPods in there, but I didn't this time. Okay, so let's get into the bag. So I normally pack pouch with pouches, and as you can see, this is how I packed it today. So I made this my custom wallet, and fits perfectly in this pocket right here. So there's two elastic pockets in the front, and then in the other one, there's my AirPod case. And then the side right here is my custom jujube medium set piece. It has my Nintendo Switch Lite. And then I actually bought the Jujube, what, I'm so blanking, their fuel cell. So I don't know why it took me so long to try this. I mean, I figured I don't have kids, they're not using bottles, but it's good even as a lunch bag. I still have my wrapper on there. So let's see. So in this one, I have snacks and my water bottle in it. So you can see I have snacks up here. It has that clear zipper, and then my water bottle and the snacks down there. So like I said, you can definitely fit a water bottle on the side, but I feel like tall ones might fall out. Well, actually, it's not too bad, but again, it takes kind of the inside of the bag. Okay, rest of the bag. So as you can see, the pockets, and then the pockets. So there's, like I said, 2 in the front, 2 on the side, and then a pocket right here. In my last packing video, I think I had my laptop that fit right here. But right now I have bags. Yes, I have a lot of bags, but this one right here, I have their clothes. Normally I have it in a pouch and I could probably put it down here, but I wanted to see how this would fit. And then zipper pocket down here, back here, I have nothing in. It's like halfway up the bag, so not really a big interior pocket. And then it has a key fob up here, but as you can, I have a house key that has this clip, so I don't really use the key fobs. So definitely a nice size bag, especially for like a half day out. I still have room like on the top here to put like sweaters, because my girls will give me their sweaters when they're not using it. I mean, it's just a cute bag all around. Only thing is, when you put like stuff in here, make sure it's not bulky, because you'll feel it in your back right here. And then it also has an option for shoulder carry, so you can attach a messenger strap. But to me, I feel like it's a little bulky to carry shoulder wise, so I normally just carry it backpack. I mean, other than that, this is actually a really nice bag, nice diaper bag actually. I think even if I don't use this for my kids, I like using this for myself because it's medium, there's a lot of room in it, and it's full green leather, which I love. I haven't had any issues with wear as of yet. Well, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.